Gavin and welcome to the second episode of Cooking Ninoy! So, for today, I will be doing one of my favorites. Pero this time, it is more complicated kesa dun sa unang ginawa ko, yung leche flan. Leche flan. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapanood, ililink ko yung link sa description box. Sana this time maging successful din. Pero this is much more complicated than leche flan. Kasi marami siyang ingredients. At it is actually divided into two parts. Of course, you will do the crust first before the filling. So today, we will be doing egg pie. Sana maging successful. I'm so nervous kasi excited at the same time. Pero sana, kasi hindi basta-basta yung mga ingredients. At mahirap. So, for our ingredients, para sa crust, we need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 egg yolk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 3 tablespoons of ice water, so we'll just scoop it up, and 115 grams of unsalted butter. And for the filling, we need 415 ml evaporated milk, 4 pieces of eggs, 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 can of thick cream, and 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. Excited na ako, so let's start. But before that, of course, don't forget to wash your hands. Importante yun. Alright, first, we need to sip pinafold-fold yan para talagang mag-combine yung mga ingredients. Oh. So, pagtapos nyo i-combine lahat, you just have to form a dough ball. And then, we just have to surround it with wrap. Then, yeah, just have to... So we have our dough ball. And then, put it in cover the container. And then we'll just leave this to the fridge for an hour. Okay, so guys, habang hinihintay natin lumamig yung dough natin dun sa fridge, so let's start doing our filling. Now, ang una natin gagawin, of course, we have to beat the eggs. Then we have sugar. The sugar. The vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. Okay. The lemon extract. Okay, lemon extract. And then the cream. Thick cream. So actually, optional lang tong thick cream. Nilagay ko lang para maging mas creamy yung ating filling, di ba? Then, we have to mix them all together using the wire whisk. Kung napapansin nyo, no? Yung ating sa baking talaga, it's egg, flour, and milk based talaga. So habang minimix natin to, okay, let's scald the milk, meaning let's warm the milk. So kailangan warm yung milk. So you just have to microwave it for 2.5 minutes. So for multitasking, so make sure na yung ating mixture ay evenly distributed. Wala na yung lumping, wala na yung buong sugar. Kung nakikita nyo yung consistency na yan. Parang leche flan lang din. Woo! So, warm na yung ating milk. I-mix na natin yung warm milk dito sa mixture. Okay, then, set aside. Diba? Bilis lang. Then, i-whip natin yung egg white. So guys, ayan. Pwede na siya. So, parang na siyang icing. Diba? Tikman yung kanyang consistency. Okay? So, after natin, we have to mix our mixture para siyang marshmallow. Itong part na to, yan. Yan yung magiging, kumbaga parang caramelized na ibabaw ng ating egg pie. So, yung mixture na yan, gawin na natin yung okay? Okay, so sa ating flat surface, maglagay tayo ng flour. Konting flour para hindi dumikit. Ngayon, ipa-flatten natin yung ating dough. Okay. So, first time ko, pasensya na, guys. Comment down below. Para sa akin, ito yung pinakamahirap na part ng pag-bake. Yung gagawa ko ng mga crush. Tsaka kailangan perfect. So, and I think I'm doing great naman, guys. Kahit first time ko to. Parang nakikita ko naman na I'm doing just fine. Okay, so guys, we need to preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Tapos, tutunan na ako ng butter para pahira natin itong pan para hindi dumikit. Pagka lapat nyo, Ilalagay nyo lang dito sa pan yung dough. Yan. Tapos, ikakat natin yung excess dito sa gilid. So, designan yung gilid. So, kung nakikita niyo yung mga, di ba? Just have to push like that. Kapag nakortehan niyo na yung gilid, ibubuhos niyo na yung filling. Yan. Tapos itataktak niyo lang. So, next na is, syempre, i-bake na natin to into 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we have to lower the temperature to 325 degrees, and then we have to bake it for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay? So, nakaset na siya for 15 minutes. So, mamaya balikan natin. So, lower natin siya. Lower natin siya into 325. And then, tatimeran natin siya for, say, 35 minutes first. O, pag hindi pa okay yung sa 35 minutes, dadagdagan na natin siya ng oras. Kasi depende sa oven, di ba? Kung brand new yung oven nyo, efficient. I don't know kung gaano ka-efficient yung oven namin. So, we'll just check it out. So guys, tapos na siya. Ito na yung finished product. Hindi siya yung typical na, na egg pie. Kapag ginawa natin siya ulit, probably I will just mix yung yung egg white, yung winis natin na egg white more para maging smooth siya. Syempre, this is my first time, but I'm still proud. Yung matter naman dun yung taste, di ba? And later on, I will give you the honest review of this recipe. Okay? Excited na ako. Magaling natin siya. The pan. Yan. Parang birthday. So, hatiin natin siya sa gitna. This time, titikman na natin siya. Actually, honestly, it's not that bad. Masarap siya. Hindi siya masyado matamis. Siguro next time man lang. Basta dadagdagan ko lang ng yung maraming egg. Pero overall, yung texture niya, yung texture niya, smooth naman siya kainin. Yung consistency. Siguro, pag mas ma-egg pa siya, yung mas firm pa siya. I don't know, probably because of the oven. Pero, overall, it's really good. You must try it. Guys, so, if you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jonas Avenue. And see you again to my next episode of Cooking Ninoy! Hanggang sa muli! Bye!